we'll guide you through how to adjust line spacing in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the search bar to look for Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the results, open the Google Chrome application on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter to perform a search. From the available results, select the official Figma website and proceed to the platform. Before continuing, make sure you're logged into your Figma account so that all editing tools and project files are available. After signing in successfully, the Figma homepage will open in your browser. To adjust line spacing in an existing design, select the previous project you want to edit from your recent files. The edit page of your project will open and display all layers and design elements on canvas. Next, choose the text layer or text layers whose line spacing you want to adjust. You can select the text directly from the canvas by clicking on it, where you can locate and select it through the Layers panel if that is more convenient. Once the correct text layer is selected, move your cursor to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. This panel contains various settings that control the appearance and formatting of the selected text. Scroll down until you find the typography group. Within this section, you will see several text formatting options, including font size, alignment, and line height. Locate the line height field. In many cases, this field will display auto, which means the spacing between lines is automatically determined based on the current font size. Click on the line height field to edit its value. The number that appears represents the line spacing currently applied to the selected text. Replace this value with your preferred number to customize the spacing. If you enter a smaller number, the lines of text will move closer together, creating a tighter appearance. If you enter a larger number, the distance between each line will increase, making the text appear more open and easier to read.